All right, everyone, how you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at VolKno. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos that you can check out, my back catalog as well. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. There you're going to get a free membership, free websites, free training, a huge community of like-minded people, lots of people willing to help you out and everything. It's a huge community of everyone just, contributing to each other's success. It's really cool. It's like having a big mastermind group, all trying to achieve the same success. Anyways, so that's that. Check that out as well, folks. And let's get into this review. All right, so VolKno. What is this site? Basically, a very simple site here. You just sign up. You can create an account with an email address or Facebook. It's at the time of making this video, it's U.S. residents only. But if you're not in the U.S., maybe check, because by the time you're watching this, maybe it is. I don't know. Basically, you're gonna be watching and rating videos for new movies, TV shows, and more. There's like game trailers on here. There are some surveys and things too like that. And once, basically, you watch the well, let's just scroll down here and show you what you do. You watch the video, and then you kind of rate things. The first round is kind of like a hot or not kind of thing. You say, okay, I like this or I don't like it, and that's pretty much it for the first round. Then the second round, you watch the same trailer again, and then you have like these emotions for different scenes. Like you're feeling excited, you're feeling happy, or you're feeling sad, or whatever during different scenes of the trailer, and you get points for that round as well. And you get more points and more points if you do all 3 rounds, because you have to watch the trailer 3 times in a row. You don't have to do it in a row, you can do it later, but whatever. And then there's a third round of tagging the video. They don't show that here, but you basically you go in and it says, happy, must see. You can tag it whatever you want, and then you can leave comments and stuff like that as well. And each time you get points, you can get points and points and points. And once you get 1,000 points, 1,000 points equals $1. And the minimum you can do is $5 gift card for Amazon. This all pays out in Amazon gift cards. And here's a look at the screen here. Like I did this one, I got 345 points for this. I can still get some more points. I didn't watch this one, so you can start that one. You can save it. Then there's a store here where you get the gift cards. You need 5,000 for a $5 gift card, or you can save up. I usually just cash out right at 5 because it's from 5 to 20. So I just figured cash out 5 because I got multiple $5 gift cards over and over again. So that's how it works. And one other thing that you're gonna have to do to verify your account is you're gonna have to give them your address, and they're gonna send you a postcard in the mail. Now again, this is all the time of making this video. It could be different when you're watching this video, so just go to the site and check it out. They're gonna send you a postcard in the mail with a verification code, because I think you can only have one account per household or something like that, and they want to just verify your address. And I did that, and I got the code. I put it in, and then I was able to redeem the gift cards. I don't have enough points at the moment right here, but the gift cards come instantly too. Once you have 5,000 points, you hit add to cart, redeem, and bam, they send you an email. You get the gift card. You go to Amazon, and you're good to go. So it's totally not a scam. It's totally legit. I kind of do it on my free time when I'm just like chilling out or whatever, and it's cool because you get to see. You have your collection here. You can save different movies that you want to see or different shows. And it's pretty cool because you get to see shows that are coming out that you might not have known or known about. So that's really cool. And like I said, there's new things coming out. There's coming soon. There's movies. There's TV shows. There's web shows. There's games, and they do have some surveys here. I did some when I signed up, but I didn't get any more recently. So it's pretty cool. You're not gonna get rich doing this. You're not gonna make tons of money. But if you like movies and games and stuff, and you want to watch some trailers and do some little tasks while doing so, it's a good thing to do on your free time or when you're just chilling out. Again, I do it like when I want to break from something, just to kind of relax, take my mind off my work, and just whatever. And then I get some points, I get some gift cards, and I go to Amazon and I buy stuff. So pretty cool. Again, you're not gonna get rich. But if you want to learn how to make money online as a full-time income, check out my #1 recommendation in the video description below. There you're gonna get a free membership, free training, free websites, a huge community of entrepreneurs all helping each other out. It's a really cool platform, website. It's really cool. Check it out. There's a link in the video description below. Subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online and all kind of other stuff like this. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog, so check those out as well. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.